Oh, yes. We have also gotten in Fast and Furious K case. We just got absolutely tons of stuff on Friday. And this is the next case I'm going to do for you guys. This is the Fast and Furious K Euro. And this case just has some really cool stuff in it. I'm going to show you a top-down view and then go 2 by 2. It's definitely Beamer heavy, as it's got 2 different BMW in it. But we're going to start off with the Aston Martin. This right here is the Aston Martin DB5. Super cool car. Also known as the James Bond car. Sick. The next 2 cars in the case is one of the BMWs that I was telling you about. This is the BMW M3 E36. This is a personal favorite of mine. I actually had a silver M3 E36. Didn't have a spoiler like this. It was on the trunk. But gotta love the M3. The card backs on this are pretty clean too. This one is probably my favorite car in the case. This is a BMW M3 E46. Check this out. This thing's got some incredible wheels on it. Look at that. Very cool, guys. Euro is going to be good. I like that car a lot too. The next 2 cars are the Mclaren 720S. It's got the same wheels as the Beamer. How many spokes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 spokes. There's a good look at the Mclaren 720S. And then the last car in the case is another unbelievable car. It's the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe with real riders. It's got real nice 5 spokes on it. Check that out, guys. Overall, this is a super nice, clean set of Fast and Furious. I love it when it's a nice, clean set without many tampos. I don't know why, but call me old-fashioned, but I just like to see the nice, clean paint on it. Okay, here's the top-down view. Thank you again for joining us. We've been having fun this week. We hope you guys have too. That's what diecast is all about. This is Wheel Collectors, over and out.